Granny, we don't know how to drink. Come on, show us. Granny, I don't understand.
Ask Wendy.
What? Granny, you need to down the whole thing.
I bought the CD.
Come on, Granny.
Safe Harbor by Danielle.
Why not?
I still haven't watched
Sounds
it.
like
I
your
read the
experience.
book.
Hold on, I have to
But
switch
you know,
to
it's
different
not in
mode.
the video.
Come on,
Do it,
Granny.
Granny, do it.
Come on.
Granny.
Granny.
Good Shepherd, remind me.
Granny.
Yeah, it's,
Needs to know how to drink.
That's a good movie.
I'm in college.
it's a different flick for Matt Damon. I mean, it's pretty intense.
He hardly
Yes,
talks.
yes, he was really good.
Come on, make Granny drink.
She has been. Do it again.
Do it
I'm
again.
not doing it
You're going on the
anymore.
internet.
Why?
Do it again.
It is gonna go on the internet.
Bigger money this time.
You're going to put you on Facebook.
You should put the stories on YouTube.
Boy, you just talk to Daryl and he can tell you all
Ow, don't hit me.
Society.
They think the evolution of dance.
believes that there's
I don't know. Skull and
You have any
bones.
skull and
Skull and
bones.
Bones. Yeah.
This is
This
really
is
good.
The what?
Is it?
The white is a little sweeter.
Okay, let me